subscribe to Top Tour Zone and press the bell icon. Never miss another update. Mussoorie is one of the most popular hill stations located at a distance of 290 kilometers from Delhi in Dehradun district of Uttarakhand. With the backdrop of Shivalik range of Himalayas and Doon Valley, Mussoorie, also known as a Queen of the Hills, stands at an altitude of 7,000 feet above sea level and has a cool, pleasant climate throughout the year. The fact that it was a popular holiday destination during the British era can be seen from British remnants in the city, such as the archaic architecture of the hotels and churches. One of the most popular tourist attractions in Mussoorie is the mall, also known as the Mall Road, which is slightly steep boulevard with eateries and other shops lining its entire stretch. From the little houses spread around the area to the architecture of even the lampposts, the mall gives off a distinct colonial vibe. Another major highlight of Mussoorie is the ropeway to Gun Hill. Gun Hill is the second highest peak in Mussoorie, and tourists can avail of the cable car ropeway ride to Gun Hill, which offers an enchanting views of the entire city as well as the surrounding Himalayan mountains. Here is a list of the most amazing places to visit in Mussoorie that should not be missed. From horse riding and roller skating to boating and more, here is a list of some most places to visit in Mussoorie that you shouldn't ignore when you are visiting this hill station. From romantic attraction for couples to kid-friendly places to adventure hubs for thrill seekers, you will find a lot many places for Mussoorie sightseeing in this list, no matter what your type of vacation is. The first one is Kempty Falls, the major tourist attraction. Jhari Pani Falls for nature lovers. Musi Falls, be close to nature. Bhatta Falls, a quaint getaway. Lake Mist, enjoy boating. Mussoorie Lake, a beautiful picnic spot. Lal Tibba, plan a trek. Camel's Back Road, explore this scenic road. Banog, Wildlife Sanctuary for wildlife enthusiasts. Gun Hill, enjoy the cable car ride. Happy Valley, the picturesque spot. Dhanolti, enjoy the drive here. K. Dev Bhumi Wax Museum, Indianized Tussaud's Sir George Everest's House Museum, plan a hike. Landor Bakehouse for all the coffee lovers, Tibetan Buddhist temple for peaceful environments, and many more. How to reach Mussoorie from Delhi? Mussoorie is very well connected by road. In order to reach your destination of Mussoorie, you will have to reach Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand. Since local cabs in Mussoorie tend to be an expensive affair, I would suggest having your own vehicle and driving up to Mussoorie if this is a viable option. If not, worry not. There are many ways to reach the town. By air. The nearest airport is Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun, which is located 60 kilometers from Mussoorie. The journey will take you approximately 2 hours of driving time, and you can even book cabs online. By train. Again, the nearest train station is Dehradun, located around 35 kilometers from Mussoorie. There are cabs available here for hire share as well. They have a fixed charge of 1,000 rupees. Bus services is also available. Thank you. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.